Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to mount this pistol hanger inside the single pistol case from sfDisplay. Okay, so this is a cherry finish with a red felt background. So as you can see, this is nice and dark, so the red background will give it a good contrast. You can choose other colors, so depending on your item you display. The pistol mount, these are heavy duty pistol mounts, so you can take quite a bit of weight, so these are really nice mounts here made in the US. The way these mount works is it comes with T-nut and bolts for mounting. So the benefit of the T-nut, of course, is going to give you a flush mount on the back. Okay, so you're not going to have any screws sticking out. To get started, what we need to do is let's take out the mount. Basically, it comes with the plate, couple holes for securing it to the inside here. This is where the pistol will sit, kind of like this, and this is the back. So both of these pieces are adjustable, okay, slightly. Now you want to test fit it. We want to center the pistol. Of course, I can go back and use a measuring tape to get the exact center of this, but just looking from this, I mean, this is actually pretty good because I just want the gun to be centered. So wherever the mount is not going to be super important because, we can adjust it. All right, so I'm going to be holding this down, and I just want to make sure the mount is nicely vertically aligned. So we're just going to mark the holes. There's just two, so this is where we're going to be drilling. Okay, so now that I got that marked, I can set this aside. The T-nut's at 3/8 inch, so we're using a 3/8 inch screw bit, drill bit here. So I'm just gonna lift this up a little bit so we're not drilling into the table. So the background is just about 3/8 inch thick too, so it's fairly easy to drill through the MDF board. Okay, so I have both holes done. Now I just want to tell you, if you don't have a drill bit, you can always use a screw, okay? That works just as well. Just, use a screw to make a hole, and then once you have the hole there, the T-nut's going to be able to go through, and then you're going to be able to tighten and attach, okay? So now I have the holes drilled, as you can see. I'm going to clean this up, and then we'll be able to attach the hangers after that. Alright, so now that we have all the debris cleared out, this is nice and clean, so we're ready to mount this, okay? So this goes from the inside, and as you can see, the T-nuts will be coming from the back, and these two couple matching black bolts or screws will come from the inside, okay? So we're going to attach them one at a time. So let me tilt this cabinet so we get access to the back here. Alright, so this is going to be like that. I'm going to just start off by putting the little bolt here, okay? And then I'm going to attach the T-nut from the back just so it catches it enough we'll be able to start screwing it in. Okay, so I have that in. I'm going to add this other side. And just make sure it goes through the hole. So I have it catched enough, so that's staying there, okay? So we're gonna tighten the screws, and then that's gonna compress the T-nuts in together, and then that's gonna give you a flush mount. I just want to show you the back. So that's what they are now. They're just barely catching here. So okay, so we're gonna tighten it with a screwdriver, and just gonna do them one at a time while holding the T-nut there, and then as you tighten, the screw will pull that T-nut into that backboard there, and then it's going to anchor in there. So we got one done here, and then we're just going to work on the other one here. So okay, so there you go. So I have them both attached. As you can see, it's a fairly decent flush mount here, so nothing is protruding out too much, okay? So we have this case Alright, the hanger is in place. So we can test fit our display here. So let me just adjust these a little bit to give it a better mount here. Okay. Alrighty, so that's it. As simple as that, right? So this now, the whole case is ready to mount on the wall. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to our channel.